Hello, Sabaidi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make this crispy, yummy crab rangoon. All right, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Right here I have half teaspoon of ground onion, half teaspoon of white sugar, a pinch of black pepper, half teaspoon of ground garlic, and half teaspoon of soy sauce, and a room temperature of the original regular flavor Philadelphia cream cheese, 8 ounce. And for the wonton wrap, I found this at my store. It's the shumai wrapper. It works just as fine because they're just like the wonton wrap anyways. It still become very, very crispy and crunchy. So this is what I use. But if you find one that says wonton wrap, that's great too. If not, use that. And 1 8-ounce bag of imitation crab. You could use shrimp also if you don't like imitation crab, or use the real crab if that's what you prefer. But I always use this crab imitation. Imitation crab. And 1 stalk of green onion. I use the green and the white part. Okay, let's prepare all of our ingredients. Go ahead and chop the green onion and roughly chop the imitation crab just like that. In a large mixing bowl, add in your room temperature cream cheese. Add in all the chopped imitation crab. And then go ahead and add in your soy sauce. And then your white sugar. And then the ground onion. And also the ground garlic. And of course, the pinch of black pepper. If you don't have black pepper, you could use white pepper. And then the green onion that we chopped up earlier. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and mix it just like that. Once you mix it really good, we're going to go ahead and stuff the wonton, seal it, and get it ready for frying. So what I do is get the wonton wrap, and then just with regular water, I just water 4 edge of it, just like that. And the good part about making it at home is you could fill the filling as much as you want or as little as you want. I like a lot, so I do put a lot in my wonton. So I just repeat the process. Put a little bit of water on the edge of the wonton. Fill your wonton with as much fillings as you want and just seal it. You want to make sure you seal the pocket. Seal it really, really tight. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process and start filling all those wontons because I'm making lots today for a party. Talk about a party. This is great to make, and it's very fast, very easy for any party, and I know every guest would love it. All right, there we go. You see, now I'm all done filling it all up. I'm going to go ahead and start frying it. And in the pan, I have cooking oil. Just use any cooking oil of your choice and put it on medium heat. Once you put your wonton in there, you want to flip it every 20-30 seconds. The wonton takes a total of 2-3 minutes to cook, so don't walk away from your stove. So flip it like every 20-30 seconds. And if you like the video so far, hit like and subscribe for future video. Okay, let's get back to cooking. So you see how I'm just flipping it? I'm just flipping it every 20-30 seconds. You're going to know when this is done when your wonton starts turning very golden brown. And if you're going to a Christmas party or something or any kind of party, this is really, really fast and easy to make. And everybody's going to enjoy it. I mean, who doesn't love a crispy, yummy crab rangoon? And like I mentioned earlier, you could always use shrimp instead of imitation crab or use real crab. And if you don't like seafood, you could always just leave out and then just add in all the rest of the ingredients and do what I do. All right, now that we're done, look. Just look how beautiful and yummy that looks. Listen to the crunch.